Hello and welcome back to Homesteading, Northern Michigan. Today we're going to be laying down some more block. I think I have a good method down. If you haven't seen the first 2 episodes of this little series I got going on, I've got off to a really rocky start with removing the siding, which I have to do more of back there. And I bought the wrong concrete mix. I bought high strength that's got little pebbles in it, so it's a lot harder to work with. It's still working, but it's harder to work with. So I think I got a good method, a good mix down, and a good idea how I'm going to attack this. Okay, so before I get started, I came out to the idea. Older trailers, they usually come out here like either like a bow or at an angle like this. They built this on here, but it's not done very well. As you can see, there's just insulation hanging down. I didn't tear anything off of that, so I'm gonna have to figure that one out. I have to repair this piece. Fell down. I don't know when, but it doesn't have any insulation in there, so I gotta get insulation for that. Get that tacked back up so I can move around freely without stuff rubbing up against me. We got a little bit of work to do. So like I said, this front's going to be the hardest part. Get this going. I think I'm going to build up this corner right here before I get under there and do the tongue. Okay, so I do have a couple pieces of insulation. Kind of looks like something made a nest in it. So I'm going to throw that out. I'm going to buy new. I'm not putting that in my floors. Well, my friends, you've made it halfway through the video. For that, I'm totally appreciative. If you could, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Ring the notification bell to see more content and amazing builds. Back to the show. After the last video, I got some real interesting comments and messages about what I was using as mortar. I found out that this stuff will not work, so I ended up doing a little more research, and what I came up with was I made my own mix-up by taking some sand from my driveway, filtering out some of the rocks. I sifted with some screen out some of the rocks and added some Portland cement to it, and that helped tremendously. So with having a little bit more work done, I took and busted everything out, and yeah, fun stuff. So back to square one on the back. Unfortunately, I don't have enough block to remove all of it and start over from scratch, but this is better than nothing. As you can see, it laid down much nicer and it holds its form. As far as adhering to the brick, I haven't had it fall off placing a brick since. seems like a good spot to close this video out. I got all of it up to where the door is going to be. Gotta be able to access the plumbing here. I don't know why there's insulation down there, but I will find out before this all gets sealed off. But this will be an access door right here. So you can see there's the clean out trap for the drain and everything. So everything will be accessible through there. There's the gas pipeline, and if somebody wants to run propane again after I'm done, they're more than welcome to. There's the line. So yeah, door right here. It's going to be cinder block wall up to about here. Next episode we're going to have everything done, because it's just on the other side of this right here. That's got to be done. So I think the next episode will be getting this whole side done. I did run into a problem back here. As you can see, it's elevated up, and then as we come down it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. But I kind of had suspicions when I took off the skirting back here. I seen two boards. Well, this one's pretty tight, so I had my suspicions. Plus seeing this stacked up block right here, this isn't where it's supposed to be. So I ordered a 20-ton jack, and we're going to be jacking up this side. It's also elevated too high here, too low here, so it's going to teeter up. I'm guessing, my estimate's 2 inches. So fun stuff. Well, if that wasn't just a horrible way to close out a video, I apologize. But I would like to add that everybody that reached out to me through email, Facebook, or in the comments, you guys have helped me tremendously with this project, and I can't thank you enough. Well, you guys have a very blessed day, and thank you for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan. Peace.